I got it. Nityanandam Paramasukadam Kevalam Yanamurtim Dvandvatitam Gagana Sadrisam Tattvamasya Tilaksham Ekam Nityam Vimalamachalam Sarvadi Sakshiputam Bhavatitam Trigunarahitam Satgurum Tam Namami. Nityanandam. This is Sri Nitya Ekatmananda Gaura Shivam. And I just want to declare for all of you guys watching this video, Nityanandam means I wish for you to experience eternal bliss. And for you to experience this bliss, you would have to come here. I am not joking. This is the best place to find yourself in the whole cosmos. Why? For one good reason. Sadashiva has incarnated here on earth now, and he's making himself available for all of us, for the whole human race, to have this transition of human consciousness. And if you're watching this video, I promise you, sooner or later you'll understand why I'm stating this, why I'm inviting you, because everyone on the whole earth will go through this process. Now we are hundreds of Adinavasis, that means residents of this monk complex, that are staying here for as long as we want. Actually, we're staying here forever in Kailasa, but understand that we are invited here as guests, not only as guests, but also as residents, as his own extensions. Now, this place is for everyone, and you guys should definitely come. If not as a disciple like me of His Holiness Paramahamsa Sri Nityananda, then you should come for an inner awakening. Learn what we are learning now, because this is it. These super conscious powers, supernatural powers, actually they are not supernatural, they're naturally super. The human body is naturally super, it's just we're not understanding how to express these powers. So Sadashiva has decided to incarnate in this body, Sri Nityananda. And now he's making himself available for all of us. He's actually, through Shaktipada, through the mere presence of his body, his physical nearness, you can actually start to feel that energy, how he's raising you, how he's making your Kundalini, the bioenergy of your body, raise to a whole nother level. Now the Shaktipada is like a connection, a feeling connection with the Master. I'm telling you, there is nothing like it. When you understand that the whole cosmos right now is going through this transition, and it's happening through the connection with Sri Nityananda, then you should understand, you should also be here. Now we are only hundreds of Adinavasis now, but very soon we'll be thousands. And in years we'll be millions. Because I'm not stating this as some kind of arrogance. I'm just stating that the human body, the human race, is undergoing huge transitions. If you don't know this, there's going on. There is an awakening going on. Understand? There is like an evolution happening to the whole race. And it's not just something that happens over many millions of years. It's something that is spontaneous. It is something that can happen within days. Many people think that these Shaktis or siddhis, what it's also called in the Hindu tradition, has to develop over many years and over long practices. But that's not true. With the Sadashiva himself, with the enlightened master, you can actually just entangle with him, and he'll take responsibility in training your body to this high energy, and he'll in the end also make the enlightenment experience happen to you. So that's why I'm so confident in stating that everyone should go, because I have experienced this in my own body. Now, I studied psychology for 5 years, and I had an understanding that the body and the mind is only temporary, that we in fact are a soul that is expressing itself through infinite times and infinite spaces and infinite realities. I understand now that this is not just happening for me, this is happening for everybody. And therefore, I am taking responsibility for my evolution, but also for you guys. I want you guys to understand that this is for everyone, and it's possible for everyone. Not just because I had an understanding of this as a young kid. I had an interest in it. I thought it was cool. I wanted to be like a superhero. You know, who doesn't? But in fact, this is not just fantasy. This is not just science fiction. This is actually happening. Okay? Understand? I have actually read with my third eye. I have body scanned people. I have remote viewed. I'm not even able to understand this with my logical mind. That's why I'm also having incompletion sometimes. I'm not able to do all the Shaktis consistently. But one Shakti I can do every time. And that Shakti I'll demonstrate for you guys right now. And that is moving matter with the conscious mind, with the Sadashiva's third eye. And therefore I invite you guys to comment down here and see it for yourself. Try this out for yourself. If you don't believe this video, if you think I'm manipulating something because the coconut is in a hand as of now, then I'm just saying go click on someone else's video, go watch some movie or do whatever you want. I'm just saying that this is actually happening, and I am the proof of it. It is my Atma Pramana, it is my experience that the Kundalini can raise to such a point that you can actually express superconscious powers, so-called Shaktis. And from the space of enlightenment, from the space of Nityananda, from the space of His Holiness, you can actually feel how He's entering inside of you, how He's uplifting your spirit, and how He's able to just manifest through you. I'm not saying I am able, as an individual person, is doing this moving on its own. I'm saying that I am allowing my body to become an instrument for this energy. And this energy will manifest into movement, or whatever you want in the end. Understand? Very good. So enough talk. Let's see how this goes. The first level is actually just in the hand, very, very easily. You can see that I'm holding it very still, and I'll be able to move it.
Okay, I send you number.
Okay, this is not enough for you guys. Okay, let's have another guy inside this room. Will you join me?
Yeah.
Okay, let's come closer to the camera also. Is it okay with you?
Yeah.
Hold the hand very still.
Yeah.
Nityananda Mahasarashivoham. Om Nityananda Mahasarashivoham. Let's do it again.
That was good.
Om Nityananda Mahasarashivoham. Om Nityananda Mahasarashivoham. Om Nityananda Mahasarashivoham. Om Nityananda Mahasarashivoham. Still. You want to do it again?
Yeah, if you want. That was really good. Both of them.
Om Nityananda Mahasarashivoham. Nityananda Mahasarashivoham. Okay, let's cut the video here because you.
Yes.
Okay, sorry for the technical glitch. He misunderstood. He thought I asked him to stop it. No, I'm saying that I will stop for now the power demonstration and let you guys just sink this in, okay? Because you're not able to believe me before you sit with this coconut in your own hand and feel the energy going on. Until you have your first Kundalini rise, like that energy that is just immense, that is a bliss. Nityananda means eternal bliss, okay? That is the state in which we are in training into. That is the state and the space of which we are operating. And soon we'll be able to show hundreds of different powers. Now, my name is Srinitya Egatmananda Gaura Shivam. I am so happy that you guys connected with me today. I hope that you'll come and join me, okay? Watch some videos on YouTube with His Holiness Swamiji, and soon you'll able to feel that connection with him. And also, I want you guys to subscribe to my channel because this is only the first video. Listen, it's gonna be immense. You have no idea what is going on. You have no idea what is happening. I myself don't know what is going on. I can't understand this, okay? So just subscribe and get down here. Come to India. Whatever you're doing, whatever job you are having, whatever success you think you're manifesting in life, it is nothing like this. You have the potential to become a super conscious being, okay? I am not joking. I am very serious about this. It is my whole life I'm putting on the line here. Understand? I want you guys to experience the same kind of confidence and the same kind of bliss. Now, I love you. Remember, one soul, one heart, one mind. Blessings to everyone. Let us all coexist. Nityanandam.